Hello Mr. Sundram and fellow classmates. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Multileader. So as you can see in the screen, this is something that Multileader can do. So to start off, I have my limits at 0, 0, and then 6,000 and 4,000. Okay, so now we create a rectangle, for example. This rectangle. Yeah. So now we have a rectangle, right? So what Multileader does, right, is to actually create arrows and words at the same time. So, how do we do this? First, click Tools, Toolbars, Autocad, and find Multileader. Once you selected that, you will see this toolbar pop up. What you do is to add here. Okay, so how do you add Multileader? First, click on this button. Okay, hold on. As I was saying, click on this button. Click here. And then choose, example, you can change the height of the words. For me, I would change to 600 after I write. Select all the words. Change the height to whatever height you want. Then click outside of the box. Yeah. So as you can see, this will create the Multileader. So after this, actually you can create curved or spline multileaders. So what you do is to click Format, click Multileader Style, create a new one. Example, you can call it Spline. Click Continue. And as you can see, the type will say straight. So you can change it to Spline. You can see in the example here. And then you can change the color. For example, I would like to have blue color arrow. You can also change the symbol to, for example, I want to have a dot. You can also change the size. For now, I'll be leaving it at 500. And then set current. Then you close. Then the command is Multileader. You can use also Multileader. Then it will pop up. Then you click on a point. And then you just click on the ending point that you want to end the spline at. Then I will name this left corner. And then I will select everything again and change to 400 and click outside. If you want to change the height of this, you can also click Properties. As you can see, the text here, they say the height, so you can change also. Then once you're done, click Enter and then click Close. Yeah. Then you can click Escape. And as you can see, you created your Multileader. You can also create additional Multileaders arrowing from here, like a table, kind of like a table, yeah. So you can click on the Multileader that you want to like extend on, like branch out as a tree, for example. So example, I want to branch out, then I start from here, then it will continue from here again, and so on. You just can keep clicking on. You can also come up from here also. Yeah. And the next question is how you erase. Basically, click this button. Select on the ones that you want to erase. For example, I want to erase all of these. And you just click Enter. Yeah, that's how you do it.